Hi sellers, are you offering a free gift to encourage your customers to repurchase from you?
With the Git With Purchase app,
you can now manage it in SiteGiant and have your free gift stocks deducted automatically with every purchase claim. You can set the criteria of the free gift by pricing, which means the customer will receive a free gift when they purchase over a certain price in an order, or by quantity, whereby your customers will receive free gift if they purchase over a specific quantity in an order, or by specific product. When your customers purchase a specific product, then they will receive a free gift from you. You can even set multiple tiers. For example, when the order exceeds 50 ringgit, they will receive free gift A. And when the order exceeds 100 ringgit, they will receive free gift B. When your marketplace orders is synced back to SiteGiant and the order meets the free gift criteria that you have set, you will then see the free gift added in the order details with a free gift tag. The free gift will also be shown in the pick and pack list from order processing, so that your picker and packer will get the correct free gift to be included in the parcel for the customer. Besides the pick and pack list, you will also see the free gift being included in our order fulfillment assistant so that your picker and packer wouldn't miss it. And also, the free gift inventory will be auto-deducted. What are you waiting for?
Manage your free gift by using our Gift With Purchase app to smoothen your process now.